Today I will talk about how you can use pentagrams in different situations in your everyday life. The pentagram, it's an ancient symbol that has had many different meanings over the centuries. It has been used in religious, spiritual and magic practices from all around the world. A 19th century occultist Eliphas Levi claimed that it expresses the mind's domination over the elements. The famous, or maybe infamous, Aleister Crowley made use of the pentagram in his magic systems. And for him, the inverted pentagram, with the one point pointing downwards, represented the descent of spirit into matter. And if the pentagram is inscribed in a circle, it is referred to as a pentacle, a symbol that represents life and connections. And within modern metaphysics, the pentagram is a magic symbol. It's a tool that can neither be inscribed with bad or good characteristics. One of the major uses today is a continuation of the old Babylonian use of the pentagram, which is as a charm of protection, a symbol that protects against evil forces. So how can you make use of the pentagram in your daily life? The traditional symbol can be made out of salt or chalk on the ground, for example, or perhaps inscribed or carved into a wooden or stone object. But if you need protection from different intrusive phenomena, you can use it in other ways that fits your needs. If you, for example, have problems with a social situation or a coworker, you can inscribe a pentagram above the door to your room, your office or your workplace to give you protection. If you need to create a barrier against unnecessary or excessive digital information, you can carve a pentagram on the underside of your office desk, most suitably right underneath where your computer hard drive is, so it can protect against incoming information. And for a simpler solution that is more specific to harmful information that comes in emails, you can add the pentagram to your email signature. And then you will automatically receive some level of protection in each email conversation. If you don't know how to do this, I will show you how to do it on your PC in Windows. Just begin with opening a Word document. When you open the document, you type 26E7. Then you mark these 4 signs and you press Alt and X at the same time. This will automatically transform the numbers into an inverted pentagram. And then you just copy-paste this symbol into your email signature of your chosen email client. But personally, I also used stamps from my collection of office stamps to make pentagrams. As I have a wide array of different possibilities, the different stamps from the collection provides the pentagram with different kinds of protection. And now I will show you how to make a pentagram with some of my office stamps. And these stamps are quite common ones. They refer to a paper or a document being a copy or a duplicate of some kind. And these are quite common stamps to come by, even in these days where the digital copy is prevalent. With this kind of pentagrams, you will be shielded from phenomena that are related to being the same. Duplicates without change, copies without the necessary flaws. So it will help to safeguard against tasks being repeatedly executed in exactly the same way. So, for example, excessive streamlining, unnecessary template making, and it will also give protection against micromanagement. So now I will show this demonstration of how it is done. And I should also mention that the music that you will hear is done by the artist Dödsvarg.
I
So, thank you for watching this episode and stay tuned for more instructions and demonstrations ahead.